For those of you who are not dieting, we have National Pizza Week for 2021. It is the week of the 13th. And also in February, we have a National Pizza Day. To get you ready, I thought I would show you a super easy way to make homemade pizza. Happy Whimsical Wednesday. You're watching The Real Ray with me, Ray. I am a cosmetologist, beautician, hairdresser, whatever you want to call me, that's me. But Wednesdays are whimsical and we just kind of talk about and or do whatever we feel like. All right, let's get started making our homemade pizza. Number one, Publix sells pre-made pizza dough, and you can get it in a bag of like round pizza dough that you squish out yourself, or it also comes in like pre-rolled out like flat ones if you want a flatter pizza. Step one would be to go ahead and wash your hands, which I've already done, and preheat your oven to 400. Get your pizza pan out, spray it with some cooking oil. My friend Catherine actually taught me how to do this, and her pizza pan has holes in it, which was also like really yummy, having like those extra crispy pieces on the bottom. Use whatever pan you want, but this is what we're using here today. All right, go ahead, get that out, get your marinara. We have regular Publix marinara, the green wine sauce, and some pesto sauce. Get whatever toppings you want. We are just gonna do pepperoni and cheese today. And I have some butter that had a little garlic seasoning in it that looks like I need to melt again. So I'll throw this in the microwave while we chat. All right, let's get started assembling our DIY pizza. Also get out just like a little bit of all-purpose flour, and you're gonna use this, just put it on your hands before you press out the dough, which we're gonna do right now. Plop it down. And then you just wanna smush it to the edges. You can also use a roller to do this, but I think it's a little bit more fun to smush it. Then let gravity do a little bit of the work for you and go back to smushing it. Okay, so I've got it good and smooshed, very technical term here, good and smooshed onto my pizza pan. And if you'll notice, I kind of have the edges a little bit thicker than everything else, and that's because I like a big crust. And there are some air bubbles in it still, and I don't think that'll be an issue. But if you feel weird about it, then just keep smushing until you get your air bubbles all the way gone. Okay, so ingredient numero uno is our pesto sauce. Use as much or as little of this as your heart desires. When in doubt, just smush it around with your hands. And then wash the pesto off your hands. Pour a little of the pizza sauce or spaghetti sauce. Next up is the cheese. And then whatever other ingredients you want to put on. And for me, I really just want pepperoni today. So I'm gonna put my pepperonis on it. So I also still have my garlic butter and the Italian seasoning. And I think what I'm gonna do is cook it like halfway through and then brush that onto the crust, midway cook, and then let it finish baking. All right, so it's all pepperonied and ready to go in the oven. And it'll cook at 400 for anywhere between like 18 and 25 minutes. So in 10 minutes, we'll pull it out and do the garlic butter. All right, y'all, that is how you make a DIY homemade pizza. Well, sort of homemade. Publix helped with their, deli made dough. Just so much tastier than the stuff out of a can. Definitely go try it. It's in like the little refrigerated section over at the deli. If you can't find it, I'm sure just like find someone at Publix, they'll help you. And this is not a sponsored video because I don't have any of those yet. All right, y'all, enjoy National Pizza Week this month and National Pizza Day in February. And I think every day really should be Pizza Day. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that for me. It helps me to grow my YouTube and hopefully one day make this a profitable, fun little hobby, talking to you beautiful people. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. I will see your beautiful faces so soon. It's the real Ray. Bye.